Welcome to the Seller Center. In this tutorial, you will be able to learn how to confirm shipment. We will guide you through the process of confirming shipment efficiently and smoothly. You can use the Confirm Shipment function when you wish to use your preferred courier. Confirm shipment by performing the following 2 steps. Step 1. Find the Confirm Shipment button. Step 2. Enter and confirm shipping information. Click Confirm Shipment on the Manage Orders or Order Details page. Enter the tracking number and the name of your preferred courier in the Confirm Shipment pop-up window. It is recommended that you enter the tracking information after the package has been given to the courier to reduce the risk of an abnormal fulfillment. Once submitted, the system will check whether the tracking number format matches the selected courier. If the system detects that they don't match, a confirmation prompt will be displayed. Please note that the system prompt may not be accurate. If you are sure that the shipping details are correct, you can still submit them. We recommend that you double-check the tracking number and courier to avoid any errors that could prevent platform and customers from accessing tracking updates. Once you click Submit, the order can no longer be split into multiple packages or merged with other orders. Please confirm the number of packages before clicking Submit. If you still have any questions that have not been resolved, you can contact your assigned selling partner. Thank you for watching.